Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about your versus your and its versus its. Let's get started. Now, your is the possessive adjective for you. It is used to denote that something belongs to you. Have a look at the examples below. Your hair is gorgeous. What is your hair routine? Showing possession. I haven't expected that your working late will put a strain on your relationship with Derek. Possession. Your, on the other hand, is a contraction of you are. Have a look at the examples below. You're such a kind person. This sentence is equivalent to you are such a kind person. If you're free this weekend, I would appreciate your help. Equivalent to, if you are free this weekend, I would appreciate your help. Its is the possessive adjective for it. Have a look at the following examples. This cat is unbelievably cute. Look at its tail. Possession. The hike and its stunning view attracted many people. Possession. And its is a contraction of it is. Have a look at the examples below. I love cooking. It's very time-consuming though. This sentence is equivalent to I love cooking. It is very time-consuming though. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. Equivalent to, it is a beautiful Sunday morning. Here is a short story using your, its, and its. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. I need you to answer some questions from my survey. Sure, go ahead. What is your favorite color and why? Yellow. It's so warm and sunny. And what is your favorite season? Summer. It's sunset and charming. Thank you for your answers. You're welcome.